Hey, how's it going? It's your guy King David, trapmonster.com. Here today, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough on the update of the preset bank I made for Exhale by Output. It's a vocal engine that was released a few months back, and I made some presets for it. Put it out to sell for $5. I think it was like 25 to 30 something presets I had made at that point, and it's been doing pretty well. A lot of people purchasing it, but I have I did an update. I added a lot more to that same preset bank by the name of Kill Switch. So I'm gonna do a walkthrough on it, all the updated features and updated presets, should I say, on in the preset bank I made for Exhale Kill Switch. Check it out. Alright, so as you can see right now, we in Exhale, the VST for contact actually, I think who make it is Output Sounds. So I'm going to go through a couple of the presets and let you guys hear it and turn up the speakers a little bit. And let's go with it. Let's go. Turn the speaker down here. Do that all over again. Actually, I can do it from right here. And the sound should have been way more louder. Now I'm just trying. Alright, so as you can see, we in complete control using the VST Exhale by Output, and let's get to the presets. I actually have a step-by-step how to insert these presets in. So let's go to, I think that's a little older. This is something new. Flip through some. I'm not gonna go through all of them, but I'll just give you a good gist of what the bank is sounding like. 'Birdman, respect on my name. Birdman crazy. dope right there. Flip through a couple more. Pretty nice. Hey, banging, it's some banging stuff in here, man. Straight up. Might have to make a beat with that one. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of these is set up for, you can play chords with them and everything. So, like I said, man, it's a nice little preset pack for Exhale, man, for $5. You can't beat that. So, check out that site. And actually, you know, the guys and the producers that bought the first set of presets, just email us and we'll send out the updated version of it. I'll leave the email in the description as well. So you guys has bought it already, you just get the update. I'll just email you out the updated version of it. So. It don't make sense to repay for something you already paid for once, you know what I'm saying? So. What else we got in here? I think that's a little bit more of the, I think that's the first set. This one right here, I know for sure it is. Let's see. Go to, part play one more and then we'll be done with this. And nice, like deep pad with that right there, you know what I mean? On some Drake type shit, a deep bass pad. Oh yeah, that'd be hot. That'd be real hot right there. So let me take you over to the website, show you how to get to this kit. Alright, so as you can see right here, here's the preset right here. You have to scroll down a little ways in the playlist, but it's here. I know I had a customer ask me where do we find it at. Couldn't find it, but here it is right here, Kill Switch. And you just purchase
Make sure you get the new preset, Kill Switch, for Exhale for $5.
There you go. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed them presets, man. There's 61 presets in this updated bank, and it weighs about like 7 megabytes or something like that on your computer drive. So make sure you cop that. Check out the website. I showed you step by step how to get to it or whatnot. Until next time, it's your guy King David, trapmonster.com. I'm out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. all you guys that's new checking out the content. I got a lot more in the playlist. Until next time, peace.